The second question I have, I think Jerome mentioned a lot about this regional sugar hub. And it would be good if you could enlighten us. It's a challenge you took some years ago. Where are you in this particular journey?
I mean, I think this is the kind of ideas that pop up when you are in great difficulty. So during these difficult years, we also had to think about how we would optimize our factories, our refinery. And this is when we decided, because we had some spare capacity, to really launch the concept of the sugar hub. So that means importing sugar, adding value in Mauritius, and then re-exporting it. So the logic behind that is Mauritius being part of COMESA and also having some access to some preferential markets. We had to make sure that the rules of origin of our sugar were maintained. For example, in COMESA, if we have 35% value addition, it means that the sugar will have a COMESA origin. So in this precise case, what we do, we import sugar from Brazil. We will mix it a bit with local sugar, plus transform it so that we are entirely sure that this 35% value addition threshold is reached. And then this sugar will then have duty-free access in COMESA markets, where other imports are usually taxed, so we have a preferential margin. So that's the sort of logic of our sugar hub. The same goes for Europe. For Europe, we need 85% value addition. So it also means that we can import some sugar, mix it with the local sugar, refine it, and increase the volume of exports. To give you an idea of what this activity is all about, it concerns between 100 and 120,000 tons of sugar imported annually and re-exported. So that is, and I think it has been successful. Obviously, it's a business with very tight margins, but the nice thing about it is it's a kind of natural hedge as well for sugar prices, because what is important for us in the sugar hub business is not the price of sugar itself, it's the differential between white sugar and raw sugar, what we call the white premium. So we can have times where sugar prices are low, but the white premium is high. So this also puts us in a different league. And to complete on that, we've had, for example, when we import raw sugar, we also have byproducts in the refinery, like molasses, which also help our ethanol and rum distillery to operate with more raw material.
That sounds like a very sweet activity.
As you say for yourself, it is a very, there is also a financial aspect to it, where we need to do some trading, we need to hedge when you buy the raw sugar, you need to make sure that you crystallize your sales to secure the white premium, because there are risks involved in doing that. So what we have a risk policy that will ensure that once we buy the raw sugar, we make sure that we have enough premium to cover it so that the activity is profitable. So it has given us a lot of opportunities, and also I would say some kind of sophistication whereby we now will be trading and hedging commodities